Welcome everyone to my channel Randomly Bob. Today I'll share about a very easy trick for VLOOKUP formula. You can simply apply this formula and get the values which you require in your destination format from the source file without putting it manually. How effective it is in your day-to-day works, and it will sort out many things and will save your time. So there's a file 1 which is book 1, a source file from where I have to take the data, and this is a book 2, a destination file where I have to put the data. In VLOOKUP there's a golden rule that one figure should be constant. So as I have mentioned, constant number, these are all present in the source file and the destination file. So basis that, this will search the value in the source file and enter in the destination file. It is just like an identification number. So for example, there's a person with Aadhaar card number XYZ, okay, in both the files. So with the help of this XYZ Aadhaar number, this formula will search for the data from source file and will put in the destination file. So this way this works. So I am taking this example of Jan kg quantity received from the source file to be put into the destination file, data required here, which I have mentioned in the colored block. As you can see, the formula in front of you looks quite complex, right? But it is very easy. This is just a copy paste from the formula. So first I am at my source file, which is book 1, and this is identification number which I have mentioned in the PPT, and in front of them is a value month on month quantity received. So today we'll put this Jan value in that format using these constant number which are unique, present in your source file and in your destination file. So as you can see, this is book 2, my destination file. So here area name, pin code and identification number is there, which I was mentioning. This should be a constant thing present in both the files, destination and source file. So we'll put the data for this. So we'll press equal to VLOOKUP, or you can whenever you will write VL, this will come up. Just need to press tab, whole formula will be there, or you can simply type VLOOKUP. So then we'll select this unique number first. On the basis of this, we require all the values which are there in front of this number in our Jan kg quantity received. Right. Then to fix this so that it doesn't change, we press comma, fixed this. Now we'll go to the source file. Now as we know, this is identification number. On basis of that, we'll put the data of Jan. So we'll select identification number, then we'll press shift and take it till January. Then we'll press control shift and page down, or arrow which is downwards, to select all the range. So now to fix this, I'll press comma, which I've mentioned earlier. Now the data required is at second position. My identification number is at 1 and my data is at 2. In case I require the data of April, I will count as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So at that time I'll press 5 for this, but right now my data is at second position, so I'll press 2. Then I'll fix this by pressing comma, where you'll press comma after selecting or adding a position number of the data required. After pressing the comma, it will ask a true value or false value. True is approximate and false is exact match. So for this, 0 represents false value, that is exact match. 1 represents the true value or approximate match. So we need the exact match. We'll press 0, and to conclude this formula, we'll press enter, and here you go, the formula is applied. So now you can drag this formula. You don't need to put it on every cell present, just drag it down. It will automatically take the values in front of the constant number. So here you go. all the values in front of these identification number for January are here. Just make sure the data doesn't change in our file. We'll just copy it, just making sure that data doesn't changes in our final file. Paste value, and then formula is removed and all the values which were there are now in the cells. So this was it for VLOOKUP. Any queries, doubts, any questions or suggestions, do write into the comment box and keep supporting. Thanks for watching Randomly Wow channel.